Stop spectating the charts. Start architecting them. Break the cycle. Open your browser and navigate to remix.ethereum.org. To the untrained eye, this screen is a chaotic cockpit of confusion. But for the elite 1% of blockchain engineers, this is the command center. This is where raw potential is refined into power. If you've spent your life on the sidelines, a passive observer watching others harvest fortunes from your attention, that era ends today. Welcome to the Protocol Forge. I'm Wolver, and we are officially shifting the power dynamic. We aren't just trading assets, we are manufacturing them. We're plugging directly into the source code of decentralization, bypassing the gatekeepers, and carving our names into the ledger. Phase 1. Your digital vault. Look at your interface. This is where vision takes physical form. On the left, find the File Explorer. This is your personal vault. Click the new file icon and title it mytoken.sol. That .sol suffix isn't just a file extension. It's your high-level credential. It signals to the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, that you are deploying the native intelligence of the future. By typing this code, you aren't just a user. You are the architect of the next century. Wolver's Master. Tip: the blockchain is a one-shot environment. There is no undo button. One typo can cost you your liquidity, your project, and your reputation. For a pre-verified, bulletproof contract that locks out exploiters, DM me on Telegram now. Phase 2. Defining the DNA. Every smart contract is a digital statute, an unbreakable set of automated laws. To dominate the market, your asset needs 4 pillars. The name, your legacy signature, command authority. The symbol, your ticker, for example, Wolv. Your brand on the market floor, make it punchy. Total supply, the engine of scarcity. This number dictates your project's gravity. The decimals, set to 18. This ensures your asset is as divisible and liquid as the giants. If you're ready to scale to $5,000 plus in daily volume, don't rely on a copy-paste script. You need an elite blueprint. Reach out on Telegram before you commit your code to history. Phase 3. The compilation. We must now translate human vision into machine execution. Head to the Solidity Compiler tab, the S icon. The amateur trap, your compiler version must match your code header, for example, 0.8.8. This is where beginners bleed gas fees on failed transactions. Hit compile. When that green checkmark appears, your token is officially in the staging area, ready for its global debut. Need a shortcut? I offer a full white-glove deployment service. I'll handle the security audits and optimization so you can focus on leading your community. Phase 4. The crossover. Switch to the Deploy and Run Transactions window. This is the bridge to the global blockchain. Set your environment to Injected Provider to link Remix directly to your MetaMask. To write your name into history, you'll need a spark of gas, ETH, BNB, or Matic. This is the fuel of the network. Verify your supply, check your ticker, and, if you're ready, hit deploy. Once you confirm that wallet prompt, your asset is permanent, public, and tradable. You have just birthed wealth into the global economy. Phase 5. Claim your throne. Find your contract address under Deployed Contracts. This is your token's unique digital fingerprint. Import it into MetaMask and watch your balance populate in real time. But remember, a token without a community is just dormant code. To turn that balance into tangible revenue, you need a lethal entry plan. Congratulations, you are no longer a holder. You are a protocol architect. If you're ready to stop guessing and start scaling from 0 to millions, let's build. For custom contracts and professional launch strategies, click the Telegram link in the description. Take the lead, build the future, own the chain. Enjoyed this breakdown? Subscribe to the Wolver channel and drop your project ideas below. I'm looking for the next powerhouse project to take to the top. Let's build.